I'm gonna tell you how to use our contact cleaner. How many times have we faced a situation where jiggling the contacts is needed to get something working? Salt, dirt and oxidation can be such an unpleasant thing that can drive you crazy at the most inconvenient moment. And this spray solves that problem. The simplest example: the car doesn't start in the morning in the cold. And even though the battery is fresh and should crank well, the cold has caused a drop in capacity, and due to oxidized contacts, there's not enough current. Additionally, the current leaks onto damp dirt, and these little things get on our nerves. Not to mention smaller contacts. Sometimes the heater at the second speed doesn't work, or the rear wiper gets stuck. And what happens with the weak contact through which a good current runs? It starts heating up so much that you can light a cigarette from it, so nothing good will come of it. How to prevent this? Disconnect the power from the source. Spray contact cleaner. Wait for 5 and in severe cases 10 minutes. Remove dirt with cloth, brush or compressed air. In the end, it would be great if we protect the contacts with DX88. Why is this spray so cool? Firstly, the components here are selected so that it is neutral to metals and plastics, which is why it's better not to use brake cleaner for this. Secondly, it will last you for a very long time. I'm not praising this product, I'm just saying as it is. Connect contacts well, and they will serve you for a long time.